So this is what I have. I have the Chemical Guys Speed Mammoth Ultimate Super Plus Drying Towel. This thing is massive. You can get these from anywhere. I think I got it from Walmart, but Amazon, they obviously sell them. As you see, the car is pretty dry because we took it through the automatic car wash. We did the air dry, and then it's like 100 degrees, so it's not too bad. Let's say you want to dry it off, and I hate that the car don't really have no water on it now because it's not gonna show you. Let's see. Okay, we got some on the back. So you're gonna take your microfiber. You're gonna take your microfiber cloth, and you're not going to wipe. You're gonna do this. Boom. You're just gonna do just like that. You see, it catches that water. Catches that water, and you're not taking it and wiping it and putting scratches on it. That's gonna minimize them scratches. I've never seen anybody use this method. If y'all have, let me know. If you think this method is foolish, stupid, let me know too. I think it's pretty effective, especially when you got a black car. Sometimes you gotta hit it a little bit more, especially on spots like right there, boom. Now right here, I'm not too worried about it, so I wipe that. Just like that. Just like that. Walk around and see if we got any more spots. Normally water gonna be down here, so you're gonna hit it just like that. So if you got water on there, you're gonna hit it, boom. Boom. You hit it several times, boom, you hit it several times. I think we pretty good. But like I said, it's hot, so the water is drying fast. We got some little spots right there. Let's hit it right there, boom. Just light touches. This hood is still kind of like dirty, but I ain't worried about that because I'm gonna get it fixed and replaced. I'm gonna get it fixed. I might get it wrapped. So I got two little dents right here, so I'm not too worried about that. Show you how dirty this car was. Still got dirt up there. But I got some stuff in the trunk that'll knock that out. So there you have it. You're gonna take that and you're gonna just hit it. It's gonna catch that water without putting the scratches on there. You're gonna minimize them scratches. So for 2008, I'm not complaining. We got some dings and stuff. This hood needs to be fixed. Eventually I'll get it fixed. The bumper needs to be resprayed because they have some rock chips, and I guess they tried to touch it up with paint. We got some fading right there. But for 2008, like I said, man, it's clean. Gets the job done, get the ride nice for a reasonable price. These cars always look good. Even back in the day when they first came out, I remember them coming out, I was like, man, my neighbor had one. So, y'all tell me what you think. Are you gonna use this method or not? Does this not make any sense? Do it like that? Instead of taking it and wiping it like that. Take this ride with me as we go to the car wash, touchless. You know we got black, so we gotta minimize the amount of scratches. And then we'll do a walk around the vehicle, show you basically everything I've done to it, what I plan on doing to it, if I keep it. Been going back and forth in regards to selling it or trading it. Don't know yet, we'll see. pull up right here first. And the reason for that is I got this 3-in-1 wheel tire mat cleaner, non-acid formula. As you see, we're gonna spray this on the tires and wheels. Then we're gonna go through the touchless car wash. That way, it should make it a little bit easier when it comes time to clean the wheels and everything. On the cracks. Gotta be fast with it. It said do not allow product to dry. All in there. There we go. Spray this one more time. It ain't dry. Getting that spot-free rinse. We're gonna ride through here slow to get most of this water off. Let's see what we got. I think it did pretty good cleaning those wheels with that spray. You can see in the crack is not that dirty. A little bit of dirt right there, but we can get that off. Spray it didn't get a little residue, but it definitely did a better job. Let's get it cleaned up real good, and then we'll get it in the sun, see what it's hitting on. We got it all cleaned up.